Hi, we thought we'd do a quick video on this lovely little Ford Mondeo. Now this is an ST-line, so full exterior body kit. The reason we're doing a video is just because I want to show you the fantastic value for money that you get on these cars. So full exterior body kit, we're finished in champagne silver, lovely metallic fleck on this car, but it's the specification that you get on it. It's the size and spaciousness of the vehicle and the full drivability. So we've got front and rear parking sensors externally, we've got LED daytime running lights, we're riding on those lovely 19-inch 5 twin spoke alloy wheels. We've got privacy glass on the vehicle as well. So externally, it's an aggressive looking car. You've got all the options that you look for. Now engine wise, this is a 2-litre diesel, 180 brake horsepower, automatic, mega fuel efficient, and they drive superb. Looking through to the back then, electric tailgate, and look at the size of the boot, look at the opening. If you've got prams, if you've got suitcases, it fits it all. And you don't have to open a big heavy boot either. If we poke our heads inside, nice sporty seats, half leather, half cloth. These are heated seats. These are, the driver's is a 3-way memory, so ideal if you're looking to share the car with a partner. But spec-wise, automatic lights, automatic wipers, cruise control, speed limiter, full multifunction steering wheel, flappy paddles, you've got Bluetooth phone, Bluetooth music streaming, satellite navigation, everything that you'd look for in a premium saloon car. As we're doing the video, it's only covered 24,637 miles, which is absolutely nothing to one of these, but a lovely, lovely car. So, anything further, give us a bell, shoot us a message, but thank you for watching and we look forward to your inquiry.